Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. Alright guys, so today I'm just going to show you guys a simple and easy hairstyle that you could do on your hair. I will be doing 2 puffs on my hair and I am going to put like a swoop. So let's get into it. So I'm just going to take this makeup brush I'm not using and I'm just going to make a side part. Okay, like that. And then I'm just going to split my hair in half. Put this side out of the way while I work on one. So now I'm going to use my extreme wet line gel and I'm going to use that today. So I'm going to sleek my hair into a ponytail, into a pigtail. I'm going to take a good amount. Look what that should do. I'm gonna leave a little bit of hair out. Okay. So now taking my boar bristle brush, I'm just gonna smooth all of that in. And I want the ponytail to be kind of upwards. So I'm gonna make sure it gets up there. Hair tie. That's one side. And I'm just gonna squeeze it in. Okay, so now I'm going to do the other side. So taking my gel, I'm gonna smooth like this way kinda. Cause I'm gonna put like a little like swoop. Same thing I did to the opposite side. Take some hair, just a little. What about that one should do? And I'm just going to smooth. I don't mind like excess if you're like me and you worry about that. I'm just going to create like a swoop. So I'm brushing all the way down till I get like to the ear part. And then I'm bringing it up. Bringing it upwards like that, see? Like that. And then just hold it while I brush the back. So, to make sure it's the same, just and alright, so now I'm going to do the same thing, fluff it out a bit. So, that is super cute. So now I'm going to take some of that wet line gel and I'm going to put it on the loose pieces here and just twirl this piece around. Okay. And fluff my hair a little, make sure it's how I want it to be. So now I'm going to do my edges. I do have here my olive oil edge control. A lot of you guys know this. And I will do a review. I keep saying that I will, but I just have to get down to it. Like I have to make sure it looks good. I have to make sure it lasts like a long time. Basically what the review is going to be about me seeing if it's like really up to his name, you know, like hair gel. So I'm just putting some edge control right edges where I want to do. My edge brush, and when you're doing your edges, like just like brush down, and then you go, and then boom, right back. Boom, right back. Boom, right back. Same thing here. Down. Just gonna kind of like use the comb a little bit to like comb it. Okay, and then boom, boom, boom. Who's that? Who's that? Again. Just making sure it's so sleek. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Like I said, I was going for an easy, super easy curly hairstyle that you can do on your hair. It's super easy to do this. It took me less than 10 minutes to do. So yeah, and plus it's super cute. Like I said, a lot of people feel like ponytails are for little kids, but I think grown women can wear hairstyles like this. I don't see why not. And my edges are done. Got some little baby curls here. I'm just gonna fix it. Make sure it's all in here. And this one. So this is the finished look, you guys. Tell me what you guys think of this hairstyle. Would you wear it? Would you rock it? I know I'll be rocking it, and that's just makeup. I was just doing my makeup. You will see the look of this makeup, or you probably already saw it in my last video, but alright guys, so this was just a quick and easy hairstyle that you can do on your curly hair, your relaxed hair, your straight hair. Anybody can rock the same hairstyles that I do. To all those who are supportive of me and have been with me from the beginning, thank you so much for your support. I am now at 230, I think it's 30 subscribers, 230 subscribers. So that is a very big deal for me, and I am very thankful for all who has subscribed. You will not be let down. I promise you, a lot more content is coming, a lot of videos. I've been filming as much as I can just to make videos for you guys. And I always want to encourage y'all to love yourself, and that's my motto, is love who you are, love who you are looking at in the mirror, because at the end of the day, it's you who's going to love you more than anybody else can love you. So with that being said, I hope you all have an amazing day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is just a super easy, super cute hairstyle that you can do if you're on the go in a rush and you don't want to do nothing too crazy. As you can see, this video is short because this hairstyle did not take too long to do. So with that being said, I hope that you click that red subscribe button down below. You will not be let down, I promise. I have more content coming, a lot of great ones as well, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to keep up with my videos and you want to know when they're coming out, turn on the bell notifications down below and you will be notified every single time that I upload on Tuesdays and Fridays. And if you haven't already, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Kayla's Curls. I always show Instagram before I show YouTube anything that I am going to post. So if you want to see a sneak peek before it shows up here on YouTube, make sure that you are following me on Instagram at Kayla's Curls. So I hope that you enjoyed watching, because I enjoyed. these two puffy pigtails. So with that being said, thank you again for coming to Kayla's Curls. Subscribe to my channel, please. It would mean a lot to me, and I promise you will not be let down once you hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't checked out my last video, check it out. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy. Share with your other friends so they could check out some of my hairstyles and some of my makeup videos. And I will link in the description box how I did this makeup. So love y'all, guys. Peace out. And it's makeup, okay? It's makeup. Bye.